Welcome to Mastering Personal Dynamics using D.I.S.C Insights. Did you know that each D.I.S.C personality style, dominance, influence, steadiness, and conscientiousness, thrives in specific environments? In this video, we will explore how to create ideal settings for each personality type to help them capitalize on their full potential, whether in the workplace or in personal relationships. Understanding these needs can transform the way you support and empower those around you. Let's get started. The predominant D. The ideal environment can be described as the following: freedom from controls, supervision, and details. Individuals with a dominant D thrive in environments where they have the freedom to operate without constant oversight and micromanagement. They excel when given autonomy and trust to execute tasks in their own way without getting bogged down in unnecessary details. Evaluation based on results, not process or method. Dominant D's value results above all else. They prefer environments where their performance is measured by outcomes rather than the process or methods used to achieve them. Clear goals and objectives allow them to focus their energy on achieving tangible results. Innovative and futuristic environment. Dominant Ds are drawn to innovative and forward-thinking environments that encourage creativity and exploration. They thrive when presented with opportunities to push boundaries and challenge the status quo. Environments that foster innovation and embrace future-oriented thinking are ideal for their growth and development. Non-routine work with challenge and opportunity. Routine tasks bore dominant Ds, who thrive on challenges and opportunities to push their limits. They excel in environments where they are presented with non-routine work that tests their abilities and allows them to showcase their problem-solving skills. Challenges provide them with the motivation and excitement they need to stay engaged and productive. A forum for them to express their ideas and viewpoints. Dominant Ds are driven by their ideas and viewpoints and value environments where they can freely express themselves. They thrive in settings that encourage open communication and collaboration, where their input is valued and respected. Having a platform to share their ideas allows them to contribute to the success of the team and organization as a whole. The dominant I. By creating an environment similar to the one we will discuss next, organizations can harness the dominant I's full potential. Assignments with people. Dominant I's thrive in environments where they can interact extensively with others. Assignments that involve frequent communication, collaboration, and interpersonal engagement are ideal for maximizing their strengths. Motivating groups and establishing contacts. Tasks that allow dominant I individuals to motivate groups and establish networks of contacts are well suited to their sociable nature. They excel in roles where they can inspire and energize others, building strong relationships and networks in the process. Democratic supervision. Dominant I individuals prefer working under a democratic supervisor who values their input and allows them to express their ideas freely. A supportive and collaborative leadership style encourages their creativity and engagement, leading to enhanced job satisfaction and performance. Freedom from control and detail. To thrive, dominant I individuals require autonomy and freedom from micromanagement. They perform best in environments where they have the flexibility to make decisions independently and focus on the bigger picture rather than getting bogged down in details. Freedom of movement. An ideal environment for dominant I individuals offers freedom of movement, allowing them to interact with others and engage in various activities dynamically. They thrive in settings that enable them to easily adapt to and respond to changing situations. Multi-changing work tasks. Dominant I individuals enjoy variety and stimulation in their work tasks. Assignments that offer diverse challenges and opportunities for creativity appeal to their adventurous spirit and keep them motivated and engaged. In summary, the ideal environment for dominant I individuals provides ample opportunities for social interaction, autonomy, creativity, and variety. By creating a supportive and dynamic work environment that aligns with their preferences and strengths, organizations can harness their full potential and foster their professional growth and satisfaction. The dominant S. Dominant S individuals thrive in environments that offer stability, predictability, and opportunities for nurturing long-term relationships. Let's examine the traits of these environments. Established standards and methods. Dominant S individuals excel in roles where clear standards and methods are established, enabling them to work methodically and efficiently. They appreciate structured environments that provide guidelines for task completion. Emphasis on long-standing relationships. Dominant S individuals appeal to environments prioritizing developing and maintaining long-standing relationships. They value stability and continuity in their interactions, which fosters a sense of trust and loyalty over time. Personal attention and recognition. Dominant S individuals thrive in environments where their contributions are acknowledged and appreciated on a personal level. Recognition for tasks completed and well done reinforces their sense of value and motivates them to continue performing at their best. Stability and predictability. Dominant S prefer environments that offer stability and predictability, where they can work without unexpected disruptions or changes. Consistency in routines and procedures allows them to feel secure and focused on their tasks. Opportunities for change at a managed pace. While dominant S individuals value stability, they also appreciate environments that allow for controlled and gradual change. They prefer transitions to be managed carefully, ensuring minimal disruption to their established routines and relationships. Personal and intimate interactions. Dominant S individuals thrive in environments where they can interact with others personally and intimately. They enjoy meaningful connections and value opportunities for genuine engagement and support within their professional and personal networks. In summary, dominant S individuals flourish in environments that offer structure, stability, and opportunities for nurturing relationships. They thrive when their contributions are recognized and valued on a personal level, and they prefer environments that strike a balance between stability and managed change. The dominant C. Dominant C individuals thrive in environments that offer stability, predictability, and opportunities for nurturing long-term relationships. Let's examine the traits of these environments. Where critical thinking is needed and rewarded. Dominant Cs thrive in environments that value and encourage critical thinking. They excel in roles where analytical problem-solving is paramount and where innovative solutions are appreciated. An environment that rewards intellectual curiosity and encourages continuous learning is ideal for dominant Cs to thrive. Assignments can be followed through to completion. Dominant Cs prefer environments where they can focus on tasks and see them through to completion without interruptions or distractions. They thrive in roles that allow them to work methodically and systematically, ensuring that every detail is addressed and every aspect of the project is meticulously executed. Technical, task-oriented work. Specialized area. Dominant Cs are well suited for technical and task-oriented work that requires precision and attention to detail. They excel in specialized areas where their analytical skills can be applied to complex problems, making significant contributions through their methodical approach to problem solving. Noise and people are at a minimum. Dominant Cs prefer environments that are quiet and free from excessive noise or distractions. They are most productive when they can work in a focused and uninterrupted manner, allowing them to concentrate fully on their tasks without external disruptions. An environment with minimal social interactions allows dominant Cs to maintain their concentration and productivity. Close relationship with a small group of people. Dominant Cs value close relationships with a small group of trusted colleagues or team members. They prefer working collaboratively in a tight-knit team where they can rely on others for support and share common goals and values. An environment that fosters camaraderie and mutual respect is conducive to dominant C's sense of belonging and contribution. An environment where quality and/or standards are essential. Dominant Cs thrive in environments prioritizing quality and upholding high-performance standards. They excel in roles where attention to detail and adherence to established protocols are essential for success. An environment that values excellence and continuous improvement resonates with dominant C's commitment to delivering exceptional results. In summary, an ideal environment for dominant Cs is one that fosters critical thinking, supports focused task completion, offers opportunities for specialized work, minimizes distractions, promotes close relationships with colleagues, and emphasizes quality and standards. Creating such an environment enables dominant Cs to leverage their analytical strengths and make valuable contributions to the team's success. This brings us to the end of this video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights into D.I.S.C personality styles and creating thriving environments. Let us know in the comments which tips resonated most with you or how you've applied D.I.S.C in your life. Remember, the right environment is key to unlocking potential. See you in the next video.